This is Akhilesh Sharma from the British Academy of IELTS. Dear student, we are going to discuss in this video related to multiple choice questions. I have seen many posts on social media that most of students are having some problems while solving MCQs. So in this video we are going to discuss in detail some tips, and I'm sure all the tips will help you a lot to solve MCQs in an IELTS listening. So first we need to see what is the definition of multiple choice question. And here you can see a multiple choice question involves choosing the correct answer from a list of possible answers. So here you will get a question and you need to find your correct answer from a list of possible answer. And if you talk about in an IELTS listening, then you can see some questions with a list of answer 3, 4 or even 5, and you need to pick the right one or sometimes more than one. And here you can see some instructions such as choosing the correct letter or choose the correct answer. So this task requires you to choose the best option based on the information. So in the last it can be said that a multiple choice questions involve a question where you need to find the right answer from a list of possible answers. Next we are going to discuss what is the use of MCQs. MCQs are mainly used in educational testing for getting customer reviews, market research and in elections, etc. So here you can see the use of MCQs. Next we are going to talk about parts of multiple choice questions. And here you can see a MCQ has 3 parts mainly. First one is STEM. A STEM is a question. Answer. Here you can see the right answer to the question. And last one, distractors. Here you can see some other incorrect responses. So these 3 parts you can see in a multiple choice question. And we are having one example here so you will understand in a better way. See, Emma left her raincoat at the theatre. So as we have discussed already that a STEM is a question. So it's our question and you can see here STEM. Next one is answer. Here you can see the right answer. So for this question the right answer is last night. So it's our answer. And in the last we have discussed distractors, and in this example you can see 2 distractors. First one is on Sunday and second one is 2 nights ago. So a multiple choice question has 3 parts. First one is STEM, answer and distractors. Next point is types of MCQs. So here you can see there are different types of MCQs which can be seen, such as image MCQs, radio MCQs, checkbooks, then single select choice questions, multiple select choice question, star rating MCQs, heart rating MCQs, rating scale MCQs, matrix point rating MCQs, smiley rating MCQs and thumbs MCQs. You can see MCQs in a different forms, but in IELTS listening we will have 3 types of MCQs and we are going to discuss one by one. So MCQs, first one is a short answer MCQ, and here you will be provided a statement with a list of different options. You can see I have given 2 examples. First we will talk about first example. You can see choose the correct letter A, B or C. So here you can see Emma left her raincoat at the theatre. So here you need to choose the correct letter A, B or C. So you can pick anyone according to the information. And second one is choose 2 letters, and here you need to choose 2 letters from the list below. You can see here what features does Emma's coat है, and you can see some options: a hood, outside pockets, inside pockets, and a short zipper. So here you need to choose two letters, maybe A or B, or maybe B or C, or maybe C or D. It depends on the information. Next one is a sentence completion question, and here you can see that here you will be provided a stem. That means a question we have already discussed about that, and you need to complete it by selecting the right answer from a list of options. And here you can see two examples. First one is, when John and Peter met, they had lunch, they had breakfast, or they had dinner. So you need to pick any one. And if we talk about second example, then you can see how much they paid at the restaurant, and here you need to pick any one option. So maybe they paid 50, 100, 150, or $200. Next and last one is, here you will be provided a sentence and you need to match it with a number of pictures which are given. And you can see one example, which picture shows Emma's coat, A, B, or C. For this you will see one image, and then you can understand which option is the correct option. And in the last, I would like to say that sometimes you need to pick more than one answer, and you may be asked to choose two options from five options, or sometimes you may be asked to pick four options from seven options. But for solving all kinds of MCQs, you need to have same sort of tips and tricks. So dear student, today we have discussed the use of MCQs, different parts, and different types of MCQs. In the next video, we are going to discuss some difficulties which are faced by students while completing MCQs, and some tips and tricks with some practice. So you will be able to understand how you need to solve MCQs. In the last, I would like to say that if you like my videos, you can like, share, and subscribe to get more videos.